Want to automate customer support and instantly boost conversions on your WooCommerce store? Today, we are showing you how to generate and display product FAQs in just a few clicks using BetterDocs. Before we begin, ensure both BetterDocs and WooCommerce are installed and activated on your WordPress site. From your dashboard, head over to the left sidebar menu, click on BetterDocs, and select FAQ Builder. Switch over to the WooCommerce tab. If you have not created any FAQs yet, click on Generate Sample Product FAQs. BetterDocs AI will analyze your store and suggest tailored FAQ categories like payments, shipping, returns, and orders. Click Generate My FAQs and watch the AI instantly draft relevant FAQs for your store. Once ready, click Insert All FAQs and then View My FAQs. You will now see all your organized FAQ groups. To add a custom question, expand a category and click Add a new FAQ. Type in your question, then click Write with AI. You can set the question and add specific keywords to help guide the AI. Click Generate FAQ and insert the generated answer. You can edit the answer in the visual editor or switch to the code editor. Hit the Create button to save the changes. To control where these FAQs appear, click the edit icon next to any FAQ group title. Here you can upload a custom category icon, assign the group to specific product categories like fashion and apparel, or tie them directly to individual products. Once configured, click Update Product FAQ Group. Next, click on the Display Settings tab at the top. Make sure Enable Product FAQs is turned on. Choose your preferred placement, such as adding a dedicated product tab, and customize the tab title. Select a layout design like Modern or Abstract and click Save Settings. Now let us check the store. On your product page, customers can now see the dedicated product FAQ tab. They can easily expand questions to get instant answers about payments, refunds, and store policies without ever leaving the page. And that is it. Was this video helpful? Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials.